It's all about your comfort. This short video shows additional climate control features once you've set the temperature to your satisfaction in your Chevrolet vehicle. Regardless of the weather outside, it's always comfortable inside your vehicle with the automatic climate control system. The controls are located on the center stack. For additional climate control functions, go to Settings. Select Vehicle, then Climate and Air Quality. This menu will allow you to adjust numerous additional settings that affect how your automatic climate control system operates. Let's dive into a few of the settings that you may find useful. You can choose automatic settings for fan speed. This setting specifies the amount of airflow, low, medium, or high, when the climate control fan setting is on auto fan. Turn on the heated seats feature by selecting Auto Heated Seats. This setting automatically turns on and regulates the heated seats when the cabin temperature is cool. You may find on occasion that you want to manually control where air is directed in the compartment. Your vehicle may have the highlighted 3 buttons to control air distribution. Each button can be used individually or in combination with each other. Direct airflow to the windshield by pressing the Windshield Distribution button. Air will be directed to windshield air conditioning outlets and side window outlets to clear the windows of fog or moisture. If your feet start to get cold, simply press the Floor Air Distribution button. Air will now be delivered to both the floor and windshield. You can use all the airflow features at the same time or separately. It's all about your comfort. And it's that simple.